Is safety really important? Safety is important in every walk of life, work, at home, or out in public. It is important to take steps to protect yourself from harm. There are many ways to stay safe. Important to be aware of the risks in your environment and take steps to mitigate them. In workplace, according to the US Bureau of Labor Statistics, there were over 3 million workplace injuries and illnesses in 2021. At home, according to the National Safety Council, there were over 2.8 million home injuries in 2021. Is safety really important? Yes or no?